Chef, nag-a-accept po ba kayo ng wedding na below 50 packs? Dahil catering is life, motherhood is lifer, and TikTok is lifest. Oo naman, Kamari Chef. Ayan, so I started muna my day cooking for my family at pinaliguan din yung dog namin si Ambantok na. Tapos, I headed to the venue. Nandito ngayon ang Team Spandy sa O Heaven Events Place sa Indang, Cavite. I took my son with me so that he can touch grass. Charot! So pagdating namin, finishing touches na lang. Bale, ang in-order sa amin ni client is really just a basic catering setup na may color theme. The entire package is 44,000 for 44 packs. Actually, 35 packs lang to plus transportation. Tapos may libreng 7 kids. This is an intimate wedding but the client booked a lot of suppliers na magagaling. Meron silang grazing table from Grazing Feast. The venue provided the styling, kaya talagang ang bitbit namin ay basic catering setup. We brought 8 tables, tapos iba-iba yung seating capacity. Tapos the crossback chair is from the venue. Meron silang mobile bar from Cocktails Republic. Meron din silang coordinator which made the event smoother. Tapos mga Kamari Chef pala sila. Ay, kinilig naman ako. They also booked a coffee station from Bread and Butter Kitchen Cafe. And when everything was merged together, ang perfect niya, Kamari Chef. The client also chose well sa selection ng food. Meron tayong rolled lasagna, tenderloin salpicao, chicken rosemary, baked salmon, at saka mixed vegetables. And also lechon macao. Asian salad, brownie custard, at saka mango tapioca for dessert. And tomato basil soup. Client was also very generous to us kasi kaming mga suppliers, pwede rin kami magkape, tapos may crew meal din kami. Ang mga anak ko, lagi ko naman yan sinasama sa event. Minsan nga nagiging server pa sila at naka-uniform. But my son was curious, ano daw yung ginagawa ko pag wedding, how different yung service versus sa mga birthday parties. So wala siyang nakitang difference sa service ng birthday parties, anniversaries, and itong wedding na to. Kasi naman, ito ata ang pinakamagaang na wedding ever. Nakamagaang in terms of the technicalities. Kasi walang VIP setting, wala kaming VIP plated, tapos, hindi kami yung magka-cut ng cake for the bride and groom. Hindi rin kami yung nag-open ng wine. Yung mga timing ba, it's a really, really easy event na very basic but very elegant. Magaling rin yung host na nakuha nila kasi parang instead na pahirapan niya kami, talagang tina-timing niya kung kailan mag-open na yung buffet. Tinatanong niya kami kung ready na ba daw kami. Mga ganun. So, very considerate of them. So, here is serving time and I just want to show you guys yung normal namin na serving size. Wala lang. Gusto ko lang i-share. The groom and his family are foreigners and kinilig ako kasi mapa-Pilipino man o mapa-foreigner man, talagang nasarapan sa food namin. Kaya sabi ko, wow naman. Namamayagpag pa rin sa bestseller natin ang baked salmon. Naging favorite nila yon. Nagustuhan nila yung pa-infused water natin with mint, cucumber, and lemon. Tapos na ang serving time and start na ulit sila sa program. Pero mga Kamari Chef, ang dami pa rin ng food na natira. At dahil dyan, syempre open na ang buffet for the suppliers. Sabi nga rin ni client, ipasyaron na daw at ang dami daw talaga ng pagkain. You will constantly hear this from me. I really love weddings. So, after a hard days of work, niyakap ako ni client, ni ma'am, and kinilig talaga ako. Parang napawi lahat ng pagod ko and she was really happy sa food, sa service, sa setup, everything. Ganda ni mama, tsaka ang pogi ni sir. And this is where our day ends. Ayun lang mga Kamari Chef. Sana nagustuhan niyo tong video na to. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye!